Welcome to the final lesson of this course. This is our final image. I really like how it ended up, so we're going to save it. Save as, TIFF is fine, accept, and then save it to wherever you want. So now we are going to go into Photoshop to give it those extra details. We'll adjust the colors, the saturation, to give it a nice finish. So let's open our island. Let's add some color to our illustration. We'll go to the background layer. Let's increase the brightness first of all, and the contrast. We'll also adjust the levels. Let's increase the saturation as well, something like that. We could also apply a warmer filter. We can also change some of the colors if they're a bit too dark, so we can go here to replace color. And maybe we want to change the color of the water, lower the tolerance, and adjust these levels, something like that. And that's pretty much it. You can adjust some more of the colors if you like, or add some more filters. So we've seen the process of creating low poly models piece by piece. So we've seen the process of creating low poly models piece by piece. And with these skills, it's all about creating new ideas and concepts. I'm going to end the course by showing you some other pieces I've made in this style, just so you can see the different possibilities of low poly. Just before I do this, I'd just like to increase the intensity slightly, just to make it more blue like this. And just to finish, let's add some brightness coming from the sun. So just go to Filter, Render, Lens Flare, and we place the flare around here. and then lower the opacity to something like this. Now we can save the image. Island tutorial final image, for example. And now, as I said, we're going to have a look at some other projects similar to this one, but a little bit more elaborate. I followed the same process, but just used my imagination, creativity, and tried out different concepts, ideas, and elements to make the images that bit more special. Okay, so this is the island we created on this course. And what I was talking about was that we can add new elements, new concepts, just take it to another level. What I've done with some projects and designs is just gone a little bit further to make the design more special. So this design here, for example, is based on an oasis. I have a beach here, the water, some palm trees, but you can see that the process is basically the same. These stones down here, I made this part with the boules just like we did. The background is a gradient. This one here has some mountains and trees, a waterfall. There's also a little boat that gives the image an extra something. The colors, as you can see, are quite saturated. This one here is a colder climate. It has a polar atmosphere. It's based on a glacier. I added an igloo, a fire pit, a little bench and a fishing rod. But once again, the process is very similar. It's just about using your skills to create new elements. This one is a bit more complex. I added this elephant that I made in ZBrush, and in Cinema I gave it the low poly touch. And I'll just show you this one here. I have quite a lot of islands, too many to show you today. I just wanted to show you that with what I've shown you on this course, you can create all sorts of things. The only thing different here is this foliage, which I made using a plugin. But everything else is the same, made using the same process as I've shown you. So we've reached the end of the course. I hope you enjoyed the course and that you found it useful. I'll see you next time. Bye.